Hey, everybody! Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can, friends, import contacts from Gmail on iPhone. Don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to this channel. Be sure to put your likes and also please write your comments. So, let us be with you, friends. Let us get down to this topic. And to begin with, please open up the settings on your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom. Go to the Apps sections here. Next, please find Contacts, after which tap Accounts, Add Account, Google. And now, friends, as required, you will need to enter your details like email, phone number, and also passwords so that you can proceed. This procedure, it is not always necessary, but very often, it is still required to enter such data. Once you have entered your details, friends, you will be taken to a page like this, where you just have to click on the button next to the word Contacts so that you can synchronize the contact in your iPhone. Then, friends, when you go to your contacts on your iPhone, you will see that your list of contacts has increased significantly. This is the way, dear friends, you will be able to import contacts from Gmail on your iPhone. I really hope that the video suited you and that it helped you. Please don't forget, friends, to put your likes and also subscribe to this channel. Bye, everyone.